Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a simple recipe again. This is gonna be some bean sprout because it's low in carb, a great filler. So what we have here in this pan is I have put a little bit of olive oil just to saute the onions. I use red onions because the bean sprout are white and it's gonna look pretty bland if I left it at if I use the white onions. So it's just a choice to taste. It's not really, you don't really have to use red onions, but I like them too. To this mixture, I'm gonna add some red bell pepper. And I'm just gonna saute that until the onions are tender. To this mixture, I'm gonna add flavored oil, which is just ginger, scallion in oil. I had done that in a previous video, so you can check it out. So I'll just take a good 2 teaspoons. When you pre-prep your seasoning, it makes cooking a lot easier and faster. Also to this mixture, I am gonna put some, I don't know if you can see this, it's a mild antipasto, and the net carb on this is 0 because the carbohydrate is 1 gram and the fiber is 1 gram, so when they subtract each other out, so just this much. The trick to, one of the tricks to sticking to a low carb way of eating is that it's helpful to have ingredients that you can kind of eat raw if you wanted to. So this way you don't have to anything could be cooked very quickly, because you could take 1 or 2 minutes. Bean sprout, already washed. Bean sprouts are just absolutely wonderful item to sort of acquire a taste for, because they are perfect meal extender. They're, depending on what you put in them, very low carb, a lot of water content, and can be absolutely delicious. So to this mixture, this is optional. I just like soy sauce in almost everywhere. So I'm just gonna add some soy sauce in this, and some chili flakes, again optional. Just need a kick. Just gonna mix this through, sort of like just kind of folding it. If you like crunchy bean sprout, then this recipe is finished. I like my bean sprout a little more wilted, so I'm just gonna let it wilt down a bit. You can mix this mixture and stop the cooking process right now. Put it in the fridge, and then when you make salads, you can just use it as a topper. And there you go. Thank you for watching. See you next video.